Anambra State na-ekwe sọsọ ọgwụ kwụrụ ụsọsọ ọgwụ eji apụta n'ile onwe na-apịa mmụọ na-ebuko ụmụ mmadụ na-aba ime ọhịa na-ekwe sọsọ ọgwụ nna egwu ọdịkwa ụdị ọgwụ nke onye n'ime otu anyị gwara ụdị ọgwụ abụli ya na-aga nwere oji na-atụ uche ọrụgba ọ nọrọ n'ụlọ sị gị gbala nna men sa mekere gwuru maka ọsọ ọdụ ọgwụ izi onye na-agba ndụrụ mmiri izi traịl wee so para mmiri today twice ekerekwe gị kọmanda ekerekwe gị onye na-agba ndụrụ mmiri for the first time bal mmiri today wee bupụta ihe dị ọna so na ọ dịkwa mma na akwa anyị ya
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 18th of October 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news to you. Biafrans, these are the fake Biafran Liberation Army, the fake Gentle, the fake Angel Makeup, the fake all these kidnappers that are into our that are in our forest, claiming that they are doing Biafra struggle. You know, I told you guys, the real ones know they do kidnapping, the real ones know they do ojoro. But you see all these ones created by politicians, because looking at the kind of sophisticated weapons and the kind of shams these guys get, you will agree with me that they don't even have that kind of money. But they are being sponsored by some of all these top politicians, some of all these top big men we have in our society. They are being sponsored because ọbụna ị na-anya food dịka egbe ndị a na-use, ịma na ihe abụrụ ebe ụmụazị ụdịka ọgwụ ha na-agwọ, ịma na ọ bụrụ ọgwụ obere ego bụ ife a. And that is why ha ji eme ha jido mmadụ ha na dị very wicked with that person ka e wee recover ego eji wee spend this year for all these things. You know, and what target now, their boss that is employing them is giving them targets. So that's why they are not even having any pity on any of their victims. But thank God for the security of Anambra State. Thank God for Agune Shemba. Thank God that they busted into them. According to this video, these people got for a miri, that is here, Hagara miri, gam miri, where they are ruteba and then mana, yes, always okay that now these Aguneshemba people are fortifying themselves as well. You know, so they are also fortifying themselves again. But Emaniji Ogu wega family abro. So how want to take the risk? They took the risk and also they succeeded. You can see how these guys are destroying our Igbo land, going into the bush, doing kidnapping, doing all sorts of criminality in our land. This is not what we are known for. Ejira iwe marifa on the nombago ndị no ugwu ka eji ife a wee marụ.
Keresie na ọra mmadụ niile ebe abụ nọ ha ebe abụ nọ walụ iwu ebe a na ụlọ nke ọzọ ebe ni obere gba ọkụ ụlọ adị ya anyị aga nwee kwụsị ahụ ncha niile nọla bi nọ ngwongwo dị ya. I know na camp one kita ina avusi yenu ina na we vet na camp we sisi nina na ogu banwel to na ebe ma ja apa ni o record no da na eluzie nze aba I want to see go hancha na ebe ni no na unu watch ana unu nekere ndị mmadụ maka amen esi wee ga na waga asesa wo gbe sa nyu ugbo mmiri ka anyị nọ sinsi we na-abata ebe bụ kampụ ya niile bụ ihe nwetara na aka mmụazị maka mama nke ya kọwa akwụkwọ ya bịa nwetara na aka mmụazị ọgbanta na ndị otu ọgbanta nke ma nwee tiru genu is not give onye bụ onye ebe chukwu maka ebe aka bụ Kesi agulere umwe. Okay. Unu nwesi ya niile ma chien ma ya. Igwe niile anyị kpo ya bịa ka ngị nwanwe. Na-ekwusi okwu ike. Okay, unu nwe igwe a. igwe niile nna unu kwakwa ya ahụ maka unu bụ moto unu gbara moto ọkụ ị mara bụ onye egbu n'ugburu onye ahụ egbu jọsụ nna ya moto ọkwụkwọ unu ransom ọkụ ya oke onye ebe ebe unu nọ n'ala moto ahụ
Yes, I will not be done. I will not be done. General, your boys are working. General, him and the Anambra State. Okay, why you had him in the house? So I succeed. I cross with me. I cross with me, but I never said them. Not the one kwam, nobody that I able to car. Oburugo general one in. No. You can't avoid it. You can't mark. Yeah, you go. I say, I have a boy. I could know. All one can have direct. And I could go. I shall have. Yeah. Ebe na na ịchọ ege eje enwezi time ịyọ mmadụ ịnya biko nya pụta bịa chegharịa mba ebe ọbụla ọ nọ ya ihe a need bụ sigwa ya general squad you create na nkwa ikwere gị bụ na ya disappoint gị you are working dịka na agbara izu eme aka nwoke ezigbo onye ọkịja ịgwara ịsa ya ekwu n'okwu na ihe need bụ ọrụ ihe need bụ work and the work aka need ya na service yo life and direct ma chala na their camp na their general camp ebe ha free na abata yeah look at it one man double kwa man enwe di yourself I want kwa ayo bika committee na committee kwa ko onye aro even nke committee ga-aza case ya ebe ọ bụ singe gbaje anyị nwezi taa na iyo mmadụ biko na general anyị na-egbuchara gị na-agwa gị na anyị nwere ike disappoint gị ọ dịghị possible na ụwa ebe a dị m nchọrọ ha bakara ime mmiri iwere maazi ya n'elu ana bata Anambra State ka ya committee ka ndị si na security adịrị Anambra State tinyezi isi ka committee ya o ya mazi ya mabi isi udodi ebe anyị dogara ka ya nọ general anyị na-egbucha the only thing na agwa bụ na ihe na-eme na Anambra State na ihe ibu n'obi gị nwere Anambra State ọ kara ihe a na-eme na ndị house ka ọ dịzie otu ọkara pa ịkpa afa onye isi aka na-eme aka anyị na-ekenekwa gị na-agwa gị nsị gị na anyị ananata azụ ntụ isi gwa anyị ka anyị si nọrọ anyị nara ekwu okwu dị special squad
Anambra State na-ekwe n'ịsọsọ ọgwụ kwụrụ ụsọsọ ọgwụ eji apụta n'ile onwe na-apịa mmụọ na-ebuko ụmụ mmadụ na-aba ime ọhịa na-ekwe sọsọ ọgwụ nna egwu ọdịkwa ụdị ọgwụ nke onye n'ime otu anyị gwara ụdị ọgwụ abụli ya na-aga were oji na-atụ uche ọrụgbo ọ nọrọ n'ụlọ sị gị gbara nna mensa a mekere gwuru maka ọsọ ọdụrọgwụ izi onye na-agba ndụrụ mmiri izi traịl wee so para mmiri today twice ekerekwe gị kọmanda ekerekwe gị onye na-agba ndụrụ mmiri for the first time gbalụ mmiri today wee bupụta ihe dị ọna so na ọ dịkwa mma ọ nakwa anyị na ya
Ndị Igbo, let's stop all these things we are doing. Anyị ma na obodo siri ike, anyị ma na the country adịgokwa ka ọ ga-adị, but there are other ways so that we can still struggle to make it in life. Oh yes, because this world is not bed of roses. You know that it is not bed of roses. So no cross, no crown, you know, that kind of a thing. So it is not reason that young ones should be going into all these type of things. No, it's not good at all. That is more reason why we have been shouting, let the government or all these politicians that are holding Nnamdi Kanu, they should stop the persecution on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be, because the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop so many of all these things that is going on in Southeast or in Biafran land. I can tell you that.
General, squad you create na nkwa ikwere gị bụ na anyị disappoint gị. You are working. Dịka na agbara izu. Eme aka nwoke ezigbo onye ọkịja Ego I say you know need the ball. You need the work and the work I need. I'm an service you. Life and direct, mashallah. Na their camp, na their general camp. Eba have seen na bata. Yeah. Look at it. One man double command and where do you say? I want to fire look at committee now. Committee kwa only yalo. Even in committee gas a case here. About some job budget. I was the time your mother can. General, I know Bushara na was I want to disappointed. Although possible no why. About me, don't have a Kali name. You were Mazia Miana. But Anambra State Care Committee, can this na security of Anambra State? She has a secret committee. Or Mazia Madis. Good. About you do like I know. General, I know Busha. The only thing I know when he name Anambra State. He will not begin Anambra State. Okay, the other man in the house. Call the to a happy buffer. Only see I can mark. I need to go now. What I say, I am 1,000 choice to go. I see no. I know if we could special squad.
Come on, pitch go, man, active. Now for you, things and things. European wire.
You can see the Nigerian police in Owerri. You can see how they are flaunting their court cap, their court whatsoever, leaving the real job, how could say, in them, just flaunting all these caps, something. That is the type of police we have in Imo State. Guys, in Imo State, I woke up very in Imo State. I can tell you people, I will be in Imo State. Under the administration of Opus Odema, but let God be the judge in everything. So Biafrans, you see the reason why we need the Biafran Liberation Army. You can see how this woman is fighting on her own to stop the Fulani from disturbing or from destroying her crops. Yes, her crops in the farm. You can see how she's fighting without even fearing, an elderly woman for that matter. Omo obuno okuta na otitere okuta na isi onye Fulani ya maọbụ na ọkụtara ya efi sef ofu onye nga adagori na first. You can see the way she's fighting bravely just to chase the Fulani herdsmen away from her farm. Ọbụkọ very fail. Ihe a bụ ọrụ ndị ESN na-arụ mgbe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ya. Ihe a bụ ọrụ ndị Biafran Liberation Army na-arụ mgbe Simon Ekpa na ya. Mana ndị otu anyị kwa bụ ihe jekwara wee je sabotage these people.
Yes, I've seen a lot of things going on social media, flying up and down, both from Simon Ekpa's release and then Adadio Arama's analyzing the interview that Dr. Ngozi Oraveze did some days ago. Biafrans, I want you guys to know that the only true government to follow as we stand today is the USB, which is Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. It doesn't matter what anybody says. It does not matter what anybody tells you about Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. For real, that woman is for real. I'm telling you guys, we are too educated to be miseducated or to be misinformed or to come and lie to us to follow what is not. Do you get what I mean? So here where we are following the right, we are on the right track, and I'm telling you guys the truth. So it doesn't matter what anybody says. It doesn't matter what anybody try to frame up about Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Hold on to this woman called Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. She knows what she's doing, and I'm telling you guys the truth. I had this Adan Dembonande again, this mad woman in France, prognosing in the interview that Dr. Ngozi Oraveze did some days ago. Now, you said you don't like this woman, that this woman is a terrorist. But every time, anytime you see her going for interview, doing a fundraising. You people are looking for mistakes that you are going to use against her. Listen, why I came, I'm not supposed to come to do this video this morning, but why I came to do this video is to tell you people, now these were the people who were giving the Nigerian government the expo of what is happening in our cabinet. When Obatobia was here, when Nandi Kanu was here, this group of individuals, these riffraffs, were the people giving the Nigerian government the informations of what Onyendu was doing when he was here with us. So when they got expelled, they became angry. Now you can see anywhere that Dr. Ngozi Oraveze goes, that is why they came to tell you, we know Madam Bao, we know they see Woto again, we know they see, and that same Woto was what Sonia Parawa, Ogechukwu Nkeri, Van, all these people, Ruby Nadi, Chomo Okoma, all of them gathered this evidence and sent to Finland. That is why Simon is where he is today, our leader Simon Njoko. These people are worse than the devil himself. In fact, devil, they learn evil where this group of individuals did. Why? Because Nigerian government contracted them, the terrorist state of Nigeria contracted them and gave them money to do, to be a traitor in their own liberation. These are all the traitors that you see today. These are all the traitors that you are seeing today. People like Adadi Oramma, who has no formal education, coming to call a psychiatric doctor a terrorist.
So you can see that Stephen Cross, Rosie is still not happy with what is going on, that some people are still attacking Ngozi Oraveze, the likes of Adadi Oramma and the others that are still attacking Ngozi Oraveze. So she is saying that Ngozi Oraveze is the boss stop. She is the one that is going to ratify all these things that is going on. That Adadi Oramma is accusing Ngozi Oraveze that since Simon Ekpa went in, that the men on ground have not been, making all these videos, that places where they buy the enemy, where they are shouting watoto, that something like that is no longer going on. But here, Rosie said that such are the things that Mazi Simon Ekpa was doing, and they gathered all those evidence against him. That's what they used to jail him. Now, right now, Ngozi Oraveze is using another dimension, and they are wanting Ngozi Oraveze to go back to steps of Simon Ekpa so that they will still betray her again the way they betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Simon Ekpa. So Rosie here, listen to Rosie in what he said.
This is what they have been doing, trying to deceive our mothers, trying to deceive our fathers who are uneducated, so that they can see Ngozi Oraveze as a bad woman. I have clean record. I lived in US, I lived in Malaysia, and today I'm living in the United Kingdom. I don't have any criminal record anywhere in the world. Not even in that same Nigeria. I've never been arrested by any police in Nigeria for any criminal activities. So I am whiter than every one of these people. If I see that Ngozi Oraveze is not getting it right, we call our attention. If we see that Ngozi Oraveze is not doing the need of Biafrans, we call our attention. If we see that this is now being self-centered, it's not all about Biafrans, we call our attention. She doesn't listen. I'll be the first person to attack Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. Me, Rose, will be the first person to attack her. Now, this woman has not done anything. Why is this wicked, tyrannic woman called Adandi Ucho attacking the deputy prime minister? You are no more in that government. You don't have the secrecies of what is happening in that government. You don't have anything, any information of what is happening in that government. Why are you lying to Biafrans? What is wrong with you? But we are closing on you. I'm telling you the truth. I will be your end. I, Rose, will be your end. I live in the Europe. I know European laws very well. I, Rose, will be at Daddy Orama's end. Believe you me, I will end you. In no time, you will understand where we're coming from. This trait is too much. This betrayal is too much. This is how all this betrayal betrayed Mazen Nandekan, betrayed Simon Ekpa, and they think that they can come and do same to Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. She kicked all of them out, and they're angry, going on social media to fabricate lies. Now, when you fight. Oh, when you get googie in yefe, it's an ozo. Or go out with your go, Ndigula, so we don't want anything in the government. We are not learned, so we don't want nothing in the government. Let the people who knows their job to do it well. You cannot be a farmer and wanting to do a lawyer's work. You cannot be a trader and wanting to do a banking job. It's not possible now. There are two different things here. So give them their space to work. What is wrong with you? Just they lie up and down. Why are you lying? You know everything you are saying is not factual. Why do you keep deceiving our elderly people? Because no they are not living in your studio. Why do you lie to them? Why do you deceive our people? Yeah? It is not fair. Anything you are doing and the blood of your people enters inside. Leave the road. Bloods are crying in Biafran land, and we can no longer watch you people come here and deceive our people. Again, Biafrans, do you see Musa again shouting on social media about the southeast? Nigeria is being run by the terrorists from other Sahel region in Nigeria. Do you see any one of them talk again? Like bandits, terrorists are taking over villages in the northern region. Do you see them talk again? No, you don't see them talk. But when an Igbo man decides to defend his own land, that is when this terrorist Nigerian government will come out. Simon Ekpa Njoko dealt with the Nigerian government. They know it, that Simon has ended Nigeria. So all this, there were 2 years, 10 years, 6 years, cannot stand. It cannot stand, I'm telling you the truth. It cannot stand. Because we have challenged that decision of 1st September in court in Finland. And we are smashing the head of Nigerian government. They know it now. They can't come and tell you. They called us a terrorist. They called Simon a terrorist. Where in the world have you seen a terrorist financier, a terrorist associated person given 6 years sentence? It is only in Nigeria it happened, in Finland. That is why I know that Alexander Stubb is stupid in the head. Look at the kind of person, Tinubu, look at the kind of government you went into bilateral agreement with. Alexander Stubb. Look at the man you went into agreement with, bilateral agreement. A terrorist financier, a terrorist invader, a man who negotiates with terrorists. A man, the government of Nigeria is everywhere in the public domain that speaks with the terrorists from other Sahel region to come into their land and unalive their people. The whole thing is there. So Biafrans, on this note, I want you guys to understand that Simon has not been released. The case is going against the Nigerian state. Simon will come out very soon. Believe you me. We're not going to give you guys the details so that we're not going to give you every details. But for people who are saying $50,000 dollars or whatever was given, that's a lie. It didn't happen. So on this note, I'll have to tell you people that Nigeria can never win this last case because evidences are pointing against them. Too much. Too much. So please, let me leave it at this. So Adadioramma, go in. Because it's not your problem. The reason why you do this is because we are in a country that allows freedom of speech. That's why you are doing all this nonsense. Calling Ngozi Oraboeze a terrorist, calling her a criminal, somebody that you cannot stand. Adadioramma, Banuno. Go and respect yourself. Because I will put an end to your madness. Criminals everywhere. Nguhi. I've challenged your boyfriend Logan Kerry. I don't know they see that one again. Come and sue me for defamation. Come on, I get what can he do with me even? Come on, I get what you na court. You say you are rich. You have Bugatti. You have a Lamborghini. You are very rich. So I am not rich. And when I go no, at least I can see lawyers to beg to help me. Manabia, come on, I go do it na court. Sue me to any court in Europe. I will attend it. Use your lawyers. Onyohi, I will destroy you in any court. Like Martin Nandekano is dealing with Nigeria. You useless, hopeless entities. Trying to deceive Biafrans. The damage that Ogenkere did to Biafrans, we can never forgive you. So please sue me. I need to have one-on-one encounter with you. In any courts in this country. Useless people. Very useless people indeed. Lying to Biafrans. Why are you people lying to Biafrans? What are your achievements? If they didn't pay you by if Nigerian government didn't pay you, what are your achievements? Lying to Biafrans. Why are you lying? It's one knock it out. Come here and start lying to Biafrans. Lying. What will I gain? What will I gain? You see, you don't like Dr. Ngozi Oraboeze, yet you are prognosing in our business. Why are you going to our platforms? So that you will see the mistake that they will use and start fighting again and jail her, so that the redeclaration will be useless. You are evil. You people are evil. Biafrans, I'll see you guys on Tuesday after the protests. Thank you.
You can see that everybody is in support of the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can see this Hausa man, he is in support of it because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. He has not done anything. If all those terrorists can be pardoned, if they can be given a kind of peace deal or whatsoever they call it, what about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is not even having any weapon with him? If all the drug barons can be pardoned and every other thing, why can't they allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go? It's because of the bad politicians we have in Biafran land. They are the ones telling the government not to release him. But I can tell you, this is time for him to be released and nothing can stop that.
Good afternoon, Nigerians. My name is Comrade Atiku Issa, the National President of NANS. I'm here to address you today on the planned protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As the National President of NANS, on the day of my inauguration, some touts led by Olugbenga Adeyeye, Olushola Ladoja, Lukman Salahuddin, Babatunde Akinteye, known as Bapti, came with machetes and took me away. And I was later arrested by the Department of State Services. While in their custody, I stayed close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I realized that he is a man of great passion and love for all Nigerians, irrespective of where you come from. He helped me while I was in detention, gave me valuable advice, and stood by me. And today, I am a free man. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is somebody I know very well. He has been unlawfully detained by the government because he hates injustice. And we must stand with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I urge all Nigerians to come out on the 20th of October to protest and ensure that he is released. If bandits and criminals will sit with government representatives with their guns and still go back to go and kidnap, humiliate, maim Nigerians, I see no reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should continue to be in detention. Let us all come out. It is not the fault of these criminals in government that people are suffering today, but because people have become docile. They accept anything, and that is why these people will continue to humiliate those docile Nigerians. Let us all come out en masse. The power of unity is stronger than the power of those in government. Let us not be afraid of anything, because I believe that life can only be worthy of living if living is to the fullest. We must demand for justice. And
now, thank you fans, thank you Biafrans, thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.